So I thought that the Stroop test was pretty interesting. I actually didn't think it was going to be as hard as it actually was. From initially looking at it, it looked pretty simple. But whenever you actually think about the attention that you have to give to the task that you're doing, it becomes a little bit difficult. On the first two rounds, I did okay. I didn't do as well as I thought I was gonna do, but I did very well compared to the last two rounds, especially the last one. On the last one, it was going like extremely fast, and I wasn't really even able to have time to like focus and think about even the words that were on the page or the screen. Something that I kind of found helpful as I got into like the second round to do a little bit better on the test um, was instead of looking at the word and then determining the color of the word, I focused my vision on a part of the word, like a single letter. I would not even just look at the letter, but I would focus on just a part or like a piece of the letter and then determine what color it was instead of looking at the word as a whole. So attention can be considered the ignition key of the mind. I think this phrase can relate to the Stroop test because the word as a whole, we don't really think about it as we read it. Like we can go through a passage of a book and not even think about what we just read, and we won't even remember because we don't really pay much attention to it. But when it is a difficult task like this, determining the color of the word, even when it's a different word than what the color is, it takes focus and attention to be able to determine the color. And so it kind of turns on the attention that we pay to the actual word and the color. It turns on that ignition key to thinking and processing, what color that is.